It is uncertain when billionaire John Goodman will face a judge in the civil suit and criminal charges he faces in the death of 23-year-old Scott Wilson. Today, the judge denied a motion that would delay the civil trial any further. News Channel 5's Rochelle Ritchie joins us now live from the courthouse, where she spoke with Wilson's mother after the hearing. Rochelle?
Well, Kelly, Lily Wilson has been struggling for months to get answers and justice in her son's death. And while this denied motion will keep things moving, it will still take a long time.
I just want justice.
It's been an unbearable 3.5 months for Scott Wilson's mother, Lily.
Every day I keep thinking, I'm going to wake up, this is a nightmare. And then every day I wake up and it's like, it's still there.
Goodman's attorneys were hoping to delay the civil trial, fearing statements from Goodman could be used against him in the criminal trial. But
I'm going to deny the motion for stay.
The motion was shot down. The judge saying while it is common for auto accident cases to have pending DUI cases, this case is not unique to that fact.
I don't want a bunch of cover-ups and hiding, this or using the legal system to delay this and delay that.
Scott Patrick Wilson was struck down and left to drown by John Goodman, and they are ready to seek and achieve justice.
Scott did not have an opportunity to negotiate if he got to live an extra 3 months or an extra year.
Chris Searcy, who is representing Scott's mother, says Goodman tried to use his Fifth Amendment rights to his advantage, but says there are also financial incentives for the defense to delay.
There is no amount of money that can replace anybody's life.
One would hope they'll be professional enough not to give in to that financial incentive, but only time will tell.
I'm sure Mr. Goodman does not want to continue to live in this agony,
But the road ahead is still long, as it could take almost 1.5 years before the civil trial even starts. But Lily Wilson says facing life every day without her son is enough of a challenge.
I can't even understand how we had to wait all this time to get any answers whatsoever.
And the civil lawsuit could include $100 million in damages. Searcy says as of now they do not know which case will come first, but they say if the civil trial came before the criminal trial, they could be here to argue this issue all over again. Live in downtown West Palm Beach, Rochelle Ritchie, WPTV News Channel 5.